To mint a Cardano NFT, you need a Cardano wallet funded with some ADA. You can use any of the top Cardano wallets in the market, but in this case, I'll use Typhon, a lightweight wallet, for illustration purposes. Visit the Typhon Wallet download page and download the extension for your preferred browser.
I know that this love will fade, 'cause you say you'll do things you never do, and I know that you'll never change.
Install the extension and create a new wallet. Send at least 5 ADA to the provided receiving address. In the screen is my Typhon wallet funded with 5 ADA. At this point, you are ready to mint Cardano NFTs, and you can use any of the NFT minting platforms.
I can take, and I give up my time to be with you.
NMKR Studio, previously NFT Maker, is a popular Cardano NFT minting platform. It offers a great interface for minting NFTs. Visit NMKR Studio, create an account, and sign in.
You'll never change. This love will fade, and I give up my time to be with you.
You can first verify your account if you want to earn from selling your NFT collection. However, you don't have to if you're minting for fun.
I know that you'll never change.
Click the Wallets tab under Settings, then select Enter New Wallet Address. Copy your Typhon receive address and paste it as your wallet address on NMKR Studio. Click on the NFT Minting tab. Select Create New Project, then fill in the information form, including project name, URL, description, token name prefix, and Twitter handle. Most of these details are optional. Also, upload your project image, which will be used as a banner for your project. On the policy form page, you can change the policy locking date to one you'd prefer. If you're minting several NFTs to your collection, choose a policy locking date that allows you to finish uploading your entire collection. A policy is a unique identifier that defines the collection's original owner. It also assures your buyers that you won't change anything after it has been locked. When the policy script locks, you cannot submit any new NFTs, burn tokens, or make any changes to the collection. Check your metadata. No changes are needed on the metadata page. On the summary page, confirm that your details are okay and click Save Project. To mint your first royalty token, you need mint credits. Set the amount of mints you need depending on how many NFTs you'll mint and click on Purchase. NMKR will automatically detect your Typhon wallet if enabled on your browser. To proceed, click Sign to confirm payment. If you're using a different Cardano wallet, send the prescribed amount of ADA to the provided address. Once the payment is completed, wait a few minutes for the transaction to be recorded on the blockchain. Your NMKR wallet should read the new amount of mints acquired. Return to your NFT project dashboard and click Manage Tokens under the Actions column. Click on Upload and Pin New NFT. Fill out the description form and then click on Next. On the Files page, upload your NFT image. The file will be automatically added to the IPFS network and assigned an address. Click on Save NFT, then your NFT will be added to the collection. It will be set as a free NFT. If you wish to make your NFT available for purchase, proceed with the next step. Click on NFT Minting to open your project dashboard. Click on Manage Project from the Actions column and select Set NFT Prices. Click Create New Price and fill out the price form, the number of NFTs to be sold, the price, and the currency. Turn on Price Activated, then click on Save. You can activate your pay-in address, where buyers will send payments when purchasing your NFT. Other payment integrations include Multisig Wallet, Fiat/ETH/Sol, and NMKR Pay. Choose the payment method you find convenient. To check out your minted NFT, open your NFT token interface. Click on Metadata from the Actions tab and select Show Metadata. Click on Show on Pool.pm. Copy and paste your metadata on Pool's code interface, and your NFT will be displayed. Having successfully minted your NFT, you can send it to your Cardano wallet or list it on Cardano marketplaces.
All the promises you make, I know that you know that I give up my time to be with you, and I know that this love will fade. 'Cause you say you'll do things you never do.